Hello there, my lovely Cancers. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me, and I am here today with your love guidance. And this is going to be from November 16th to the 30th. This is going to go over what's going on with you and someone that you're interested in, have a crush on, or a situationship with. If you feel the need to get a personal guidance, I do have a really big sale going on right now. I have a Black Friday sale. It is going on until the day after, so that it's going to be over November 26th. So you guys want to take advantage of that, check it out. It's only up for a limited time. Everything at the shop is half off right now, so take advantage if you just want to try it out. Readings start as low as $5 if you guys are just wanting to like test it out and see, if it's for you, that kind of thing. And I think that it will be, so just check it out. It doesn't hurt to do it. It's not that much. It's just something for you to get started. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. Now I'm gonna jump right into your love guidance. Okay, let's get started. Alrighty, so guys, we're going to be looking at how you and your person feel about each other. Okay, so the way you may feel about this person, you may feel pretty elated, like really, 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 really happy, really excited about this person or about this connection. You could just be feeling happy to be in this person's life, or really just happy to know them, like to know who this person is, to be in their presence, to receive love from them, to give love to them, or to just be attracted to them. This seems to be a really, really intimate connection at this time, and it could really be a connection that has become official between you and them. So people all over could be aware of this relationship between the two of you, and people are totally for it. People are for this connection working out and being together. People love this. So you guys could actually be the main topic of the chat right now. A lot of people everywhere could be talking about you and this love interest. People really are interested in you guys, really infatuated with your connection together. You may be posting pictures together, or maybe people are just watching your social media, going and watching their social media. People know that you guys are a couple or that you're dating. People feel like you're in a relationship with each other, or that you're in love. So there's a lot of talk right now about you and your person that you're connected to. Now you could also feel like this sense of having stability or a strong foundation. You could be thinking about something regarding your home or living situation for some of you. Maybe you're becoming more stable, or maybe you're focused on trying to become more stable financially. But I feel like this is more about the stability of the connection. Maybe you and this person have a really stable foundation at this time. Maybe your connection has been built starting with a very strong foundation, because the way everything kicked off between you and this person could be going pretty strong, to say it's like the beginning for some of you. And I feel like you are definitely like holding it down in this connection. Like you are standing firm within this connection and how you feel. There's a strong sense of loyalty with you. I also get this sense that maybe you guys are really just, you're very, very you're very determined. You're determined because this passion is driving you within this connection, and this determination brings a fierce loyalty that I don't even think this person had seen anyone be this loyal to them ever in life. And this is something that's very, very attractive to them, how loyal you are to this connection. So this person is definitely happy about this too. I can tell from the way the energy is coming up. And I feel like even though you feel stable within this connection and you do feel like very, very loyal, you're also very ready for if anything goes down. If anything goes wrong, if anything goes left, you are ready. You are prepared. You still have your armor on. And what I mean is that, like, you have, just like animals have these defense mechanisms, so maybe you are like the skunk, and you're gonna stink up the whole place if this person goes wrong with you, right? A really bad analogy, really, really bad, I know, but that's the first thing that I thought about just now. I'm sorry, but skunk it is right now. So you guys definitely have something about you that, like, when you're putting that guard up, you're gonna put it up. You got the guard in your pocket, right? Like, you outwardly show them that your heart is open for them and all of that, but the guard is in your pocket. And what I mean is that you can put that guard up in a heartbeat, like in a flash. As soon as something goes left, or as soon as you're prepared, but you're also stable at the same time. You're loyal to them at the same time. You're dedicated to this connection at the same time, right? You're just not a fool. You're just not a fool. You're not down to play games, okay? Now, this person may feel alone or bored within this connection with you. They could feel lost without you, because this is someone who seems to be at a distance. For some of you, they could be going to visit family for the holidays, or they could have some type of work project or something going on, or this is a long distance connection. And so this person, honestly, it feels like they're frustrated about the distance, but they also purposely want the distance to be there. And for some of you, I feel like it's because maybe they want to be with you, and I feel like they want to be with you every day, but they're maintaining some kind of self-control. So what's happening is that you both are mirroring each other's energy. This could definitely be your twin soul that you're connected to, a spiritual high-level mate, because they mirror you. It's just that you guys are displaying it in two different ways. So they got the guard in their pocket too. That's what this is about. So they're being a little distant from you, or you may read it as distant, but they're actually controlling their feelings. That's what they're doing. They're controlling the way they feel about you so that you won't know all, like, everything that they're feeling. You don't know all their emotions and mood swings and how they're up and down and left and right, and they're all the things that they're experiencing and going through with you. They're fighting back so many urges when it comes to you, even fighting back tears about you and their personal desires for you. So it's something about them not really letting you in all the way. And you both do this. You both have some type of guard. The guard isn't really up, but it's still there. Like, the guard is that transparent background in your love and your feelings, and how, you both are like intimate with each other. The relationship itself is more manifest. People can actually see it, but in that transparency in the back, you're ready. Like, you're ready for something to go wrong. You guys are just like, you're not playing dumb. I think you guys are like that because this is a very, very vulnerable time for the both of you. I think that could be what it is. But overall, I think that this person's pretty happy about you two being a couple or being a thing right now. They want everyone to know. And that's another crazy thing that may sound a little contradictory to some of you, because it's like, well, if you want everyone to know and you are a little bit guarded, then why are you guarded if you want everyone to know? Or why do you want everyone to know if you're going to be a little guarded? So it's like, this person, they do this. The guard is there just in case I feel like the guard is there just in case you back out, just in case you say no, just in case you don't want them, just in case you play them, just in case you make a fool of them. That's why the guard is there a little bit. It's not up. It's there though. It's a present. The guard is present. It could come out at any time, but they're trying to hold that back. They're trying not to do this to you. Maybe in the past they did this to you, put that guard up with you emotionally, because they didn't want to get hurt first. Maybe they were trying to hurt you before you could hurt them, kind of thing. And this could be coming from past traumas with this person. But I feel like they want everybody to know about you too, and they are actually, guys, they're being more humbuggish than people are being about you guys. Like, what I mean by that is, people could be being humbuggish, like talking about your connection, talking about you, talking about them, talking to their friends about this connection, telling everyone in the world about what's going on with this connection. And guess what? They're doing it more than the gossipers. They're talking about the connection too. So this person's being a little messy, and they're being catty about your love with them. Like, you two together, they're rubbing it in everybody's face right now. Like, they could be they could be posting crazy things on their social media right now. They could be just walking around just putting people in their place right now, about this connection. They're like being petty too, and it's about them and they know it, and it's about you and them being together and they know this, but they love the feeling of being able to be so like just so petty with people about it because they have you, or that you two are together. That's what I'm getting here. But when it comes to showing you, there's a stillness here within them. They're like not taking action towards you, and they know that them not taking action towards you is really, really powerful in this connection. And what I mean by that is, what this is doing, and I think what they have realized that this is doing, is that the more they take their time with coming towards you in this connection, then it does something to this connection. It brings out something sacred within this person's soul, I feel. And what I think is happening is that this person is doing all of these things in the background, all of these things behind your back that you don't even know that they're doing. They're acting a plumb fool behind your back about this love that they have for you, and like, telling people stuff, defending this connection, rubbing it in people's face. They're doing all kinds of stuff right now. They're so excited, and just, they love this connection with you, but because especially if this is something new, right? They're really showing you off. But they're not showing you though. And I believe what's happening when I said like there's something sacred about this silence between the two of you, I think that it makes them, I think they don't come towards you because it makes them like want you more. This person doesn't want to let go of this spark. And it's not because of you. I feel like it's coming from the past. I feel like they had relationships or connections where they finally got with somebody that they really liked or that they really wanted. And before they got with them, there was this spark. And before things got real, there was this spark, and they really, really loved the spark. And then as soon as they started dating that person, that spark just went away, completely disappeared. They want to hold on to that moment. It's like a crackhead that is finally, a crackhead that, gets that first high, and then after that they keep wanting that feeling. Is like that. This person's like, you're an addiction to them is what I'm getting. So they don't want to let this feeling go. They keep chasing that first time feeling and that fantasy like feeling. And that's what I'm getting here. Wow. I'm saying some stuff on your reading, which means that because I'm picking up everyone's energy, that's how I operate. So Cancer, it could mean that you'll just be really saying anything out of your mouth for the last 2 weeks in November. All right, so just be cautious of that energy. But you may see what you see in this person. You may see them as someone who is ready to expand their horizons or have expanded their horizons. Maybe you see them as someone who really thinks differently now. They're not closed-minded. They're very open-minded. This person's always looking for the gift in the moment. Like, this person knows they're so unique to you. They know how to find the magic in any moment that they share with you. I feel like you also want them to realize that you are the prize as well. You're the prize. You are deserving of their love. So as ecstatic as they are and as amazed as they feel about this connection, you still need to be treated like you're the prize, or treated like, like, show me your love. I mean, hello, like, are we doing this or what? I know you're excited about this because I'm the ish, right? The sugar honey iced tea. But at the same time, I need you to stand in your power and be true to yourself. I need you to own this connection. I don't need you to run around here just excited because I said yes to you. I want to be with you, or just because I'm talking to you. No, I need you to be that man. I need you to be in my life. I need you to be in a relationship, or talk to me. Hello, like, call me on the phone. Make sure I'm good every day. I don't need you to be getting so excited about the spark. You're gonna lose the spark because you're losing me in the process. So this person you may see is someone who's leading the connection right now, or they could be a leader in their work or business. They could be an entrepreneur, or just a person who has a lot of influence on social media or in real life. So they're a person who holds a high position, and you know that right now the truth about you has been revealed to a lot of people, and people know about your connection. People may be talking about your connection, your family, your friends, your social media followers, whatever. I feel like I'm talking to someone who has a following on social media for being just like a public figure or something, and people are starting to find out about your connection that you have with someone else. Either you're the celeb, or they're the celeb, or you're popular, they're popular, or something like that. But it's like now the truth has come out, right, about how this person feels about you. And this is something, remember, the key to this is that your person wanted this to happen. They want people to know. They want people to know that you're theirs and they're yours. They want this. But they're so excited and so happy about accomplishing that they're really not coming toward you, but they're doing that on purpose. They don't come towards you on purpose to maintain something. And I feel like they just don't want these moments to fade. Even though I don't even think it's going to fade the way you both feel about each other. To be honest with you, you both are just really just beautiful energy toward each other. So I don't think that's fading anytime soon, but that's just the way they think. So you already pretty much know how they feel, but the way they see you as needing to remember who you are at this time. They believe in you, and you need to remember that you are more than just what people want to say you are, that you are more than your job, you're more than your car, you're more than your reputation, or whatever it is. You're more than that. Whenever you're ready, they're ready for you to take action. So I feel like now that I'm getting that, I feel like they are waiting for you. That's why they're still and not making a move towards you, or making the next step, because they're kind of waiting to see, where do you want to take it now? What do you really want to do now? So this person feels like you are a blazing light that has been sent here to earth to inspire so many people. They want you to kind of like step into your power now. You're supposed to be this big star, this big superstar, I feel, or have this like fame or something. And they're like, are you ready? Like, I'm trying to see if this is what you really wanted, because you're about to be now, like, hello, welcome to superstar world. Yeah, you're dating someone who's really popular. Some of you may have like 1 million Instagram followers, or you may have like 100,000 people that watch you on YouTube, or you may be a local celebrity, a local music artist in your city, or whatever it is, because I'm picking up someone who has some type of following. And whatever you have or whatever is going on, I feel like this person is just like, hey, or maybe this is them, the popular one, and they have these things, but this person's like, hey, I thought you wanted this. I'm trying to tell you, step into this role, because this is what this comes with, and I want to be with you, and so I'm doing everything that it takes to be with you. And if you want to be with me, you take me seriously, then you're going to get ready for this, because this is what it's going to be. Right? So they're saying, welcome to my world. And that's all I have. God bless.